has been very enlightening and exhilarating, I must say. We've thoroughly enjoyed. We've participated in very stimulating discussions and deliberations. And I think we are really honored to be here and see that we are a big team of believers of Kaizen.
Good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you to the 10th KAIZEN Congress.
It's been very good. I can see a confluence of like-minded people sharing the same passion, interests and concerns.
What I can say is this time there was so much. Actually, it exceeded my expectation. We had international speakers with rich experience. One key thing I noticed from Mr. Grover, his presentation about KCM had changed, which was a true indicator that Kaizen is doing Kaizen to its activities. Another thing that I'd say that was really mind-blowing is we are getting international. We are there. Our benchmark is getting bigger and better.
Kaizen is not just limited to the shop floor or manufacturing place per se. It can be implemented anywhere, right from your house to your personal spaces, like your offices, like your bedrooms, like your other places that are personal to you.
And I was really pleased to join this Congress. Yesterday I could listen to many interesting presentations, and today I could listen to case studies and also to some interesting panel discussion. I think all in all it was one of the best congresses I have ever joined.
So it's a great learning curve.
Great.
It's very enriching.
In totality, it is mesmerizing.
It's awesome. It's awesome.